Would you smoke it here or there? Would you smoke it anywhere? With datil glaze or barbecue sweet, this ham's a treat you can't defeat. On the Big Green Egg, it roasts just right. Juicy, smoky, pure delight. Let's get involved, people. Woo! Welcome to BBQ Jams, guys. We have a great show for you guys tonight. My name is Will Bloomer. I will be your host. And so it's been a little bit, but we finally got him back. Steve Wheeler. He is going to be gracing us with his presence tonight. We have been missing him. He got hurt, and now he's back, and we're going to see how he does tonight. I'm sure he's going to tear it up. Also tonight, we've got Arthur Zaragoza coming in on some guitar, and Kerry Jordan playing some bass for us, and myself, Will Bloomer, playing the drums as always. So tonight, we're cooking up a ham on the green egg. So it's kind of like a green egg and ham kind of deal. Anyway, it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys stay tuned. Here we go. We got some fine looking datil peppers here, people. Let's check it out. So tonight we're smoking a ham, and we're gonna be using some mustard as a binder, and my sister decided to create a datil pepper mustard sauce for the binder. So we're gonna be checking that out. Also tonight, we're gonna be using my OG Rub that you can get, by the way, at the shopthemerchcode.com. Guys, my brother-in-law also hooked us up with some datil pepper barbecue sauce, which is going to be killer. It's so good. It's got he put some peach in there. He's got some brown sugar, some Worcestershire, some all sorts of things. What else did you put in this thing? You put some ketchup and some mustard and some love. Yes, love. It's delicious. But you obviously don't have this, but use your own barbecue sauce for a glaze, whatever you want. Same thing with the mustard. Do whatever you want. Guys, so the datil pepper sauce is kind of unique to Jacksonville, but it came in through St. Augustine, through the Menorcans back in the 18th century from Spain. It's used a lot in their cuisine down there in St. Augustine. It's got this really nice sweet and fruity flavor, kind of like of a bell pepper, and also the heat of habanero. It's delicious. It's insane. I wish you guys could try this, but anyway, guys, let's get into this cook tonight. It's gonna be insane. We're cooking this on the green egg tonight, about 275, and we're looking for an internal temp of 145, so let's get involved. All right, here we go, people. We're gonna get into this ham. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna score this ham with my knife and kind of get some areas, you know, so we can go ahead and put in some mustard for this binder. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. I'm just gonna score this all over. Thank you, Lauren, for hooking me up with this datil pepper mustard sauce, by the way. Hope y'all are enjoying the holidays. We're having a great time here. Our jams are always fun, our cooks are always great, having a good time. Please like and subscribe, by the way, while you're hanging out watching me do all this stuff and, you know, getting this food going for you guys. Now, let's go on with some of my OG Rub. All right, we're gonna let this set up for a minute, then we're gonna be popping it on the green egg. Hey guys, we just got in this Meater Plus meat thermometer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it into the fattiest part of the meat, and there's a little notch on here that you wanna get that all the way in. there's two different parts to this thermometer. There's an ambient side that catches the actual atmosphere around it, and then also the internal temp. So anyway, we're gonna give this guy a shot tonight and see how it works. So anyway, without further ado, here we go. Going in, we good? Yeah. Beauty. Here we go. All right, we've hit 120 on our internal temp. It's time to baste this ham. Ooh, and she's looking good. All right, I'm gonna let this tack out, and we'll see you guys back here in a minute. I hope you guys are enjoying these jams. We're having a blast over here, people. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, ham is ready. Look at that beauty. Oh my God, guys, this looks insane. Yes, I'm using my my pizza spatula here to get it off here, but I'll be all right. Look at that. What a beauty. Oh, guys, come on. Come on, look at that. Oh, it smells ridiculous. Okay guys, here we are. The final product is here. Let's go ahead and carve into her. Let's see what's going on. Man, it looks insane. The guys are starving. I'm hungry. Everybody's hungry. Yeah. Look at this beast. Oh yeah. Don't worry. Getting ready to get a lot of ham here, people. All right guys, here we go. We're going in for some ham. Come on in, grab a piece.
Big green egg and ham.
That's right.
All right, man. Are we gonna?
We're gonna do the cheers.
Cheers.
You coming in, Steve?
I'm doing it.
Steve,
coming in?
Come on, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Get a little glaze on it.
Just get a little bit. Oh, you're a little crusty on that one. All right, cool.
Wow.
Hey. All right.
Okay, sorry, we'll do another one.
That's delicious.
That was really good.
Man, that's
Fantastic.
beautiful.
Oh, God.
I'm getting a little bit of heat off that datil pepper, too.
That'll do it.
That'll do it? Of course, you get a that'll do it. Man, that's right on time. It's got a little heat to it there, right? It's like perfect. This is really nice.
Did you use that?
Yeah.
That blend there?
Yep.
Wow, man.
Guys, this is incredible. This turned out really well.
Green eggs and ham.
Green eggs and ham, baby. I think Mazzy needs a little bite too. What do you think?
No.
Mazzy, you ready?
Oh, Martin.
There it is. Nice.
Leave it in there for.
He made that.
This is about 3 hours.
He made that.
3 hours, huh?
Dude.
That's killer.
And his sister made this.
That is
This is dynamite.
Yes.
Good.
Whew. The heat's perfect on that.
10 out of 10, man.
All right, guys, we had a great time tonight on BBQ Jams. We killed it. That ham was amazing. The Datil Pepper sauce and the mustard and the barbecue sauce. Guys, awesome. The smoke worked out really well on the green egg. Green egg and ham, it was a killer tonight. Jams, guys, we're killing it tonight, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's up? We got Martine over here, too. Guys, we're having a blast. Merch company, Derek Enter, you know what's up, man. Thanks so much for the merch, as always. And guys, please like and subscribe. Peace.